Welcome to Review Rumble. The best flush mount outlet is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components in modern home and office design, offering a sleek, unobtrusive way to manage power without the visual clutter of traditional outlets. Imagine a space where cords disappear seamlessly, where your furniture can sit flush against the wall, and where charging stations are integrated with an elegance that complements your decor rather than detracting from it. This innovative solution not only enhances aesthetics but also improves safety by reducing trip hazards and protecting connections from accidental damage, making it a smart upgrade for any environment seeking a cleaner, more organized, and sophisticated look. Number 5. QINLIANF 5-outlet extender with 4 USB ports. Tired of limited outlets? This wall-mounted power strip expands a single outlet into 5 AC sockets and 4 USB ports, easily accommodating your devices. Its unique design secures directly to the wall outlet, preventing accidental disconnections. This ensures a stable power supply for all your plugged-in electronics. With widely spaced AC outlets, you can easily plug in even bulky adapters without blocking adjacent sockets. It's designed for maximum convenience. Featuring both USB-A and USB-C ports, it intelligently detects your devices and delivers the optimal charging speed. Keep all your gadgets powered up efficiently. Equipped with a robust 1680J surge protection circuit, it safeguards your valuable electronics from power surges and spikes. Rest assured your devices are protected. This product is ETL certified, ensuring safety and reliability. Plus, it comes with a 30-day return policy and a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This extender is perfect for those who need to secure their power source. If you often find plugs getting pulled out, or have bulky adapters, its secure wall mount design and wide outlet spacing will be a game changer. It also offers smart USB charging for all your devices. What people say. It is durably constructed of plastic and is sturdy and not easily broken. There are 5 outlets for plugs and 3 USB outlets and 1 USB-C outlet. The 5 outlets and 4 USB ports make it so easy to charge multiple devices at once, and the space design works great for larger plugs and adapters. The unit secures to the wall with a center screw to the plug fixture, and best of all, it sits flush to the wall so it looks like it's actually supposed to be there. Number 4. Sleek Socket Original Flat Outlet Concealer Kit. Tired of bulky, unsightly cords? Our innovative solution discreetly hides your outlet and cables, blending seamlessly with your home decor. It's perfect for small spaces and behind furniture, creating a cleaner, more organized look. Say goodbye to ugly, unsafe plugs and cords. This ultra-thin device hugs the wall, virtually disappearing while reducing clutter and tripping hazards. Enjoy a sleeker, safer living space. No tools required. Installation is as easy as plugging it in. Simply attach it to your existing outlet for a quick and effortless setup. Perfect for anyone seeking a simple home improvement solution. Keep your cords neatly organized and out of sight with the included adhesive cord concealer kit. Removable adhesive strips and clips ensure a tidy and efficient setup, making cord management a breeze. Our concealer works with all standard duplex outlets. Its versatile design ensures a reliable fit, making it easy to organize cords in any room, from the kitchen to behind your entertainment center. Not only does it eliminate clutter, but it also expands your power options. This kit includes a 3-outlet power strip, giving you more usable outlets without adding to the mess. Designed and safety certified in the USA, you can trust its quality and reliability. It meets all applicable UL standards, ensuring a safe and effective solution for your home. What we like. If you're all about aesthetics and hate visible cords, this is the one for you. Its ultra-thin, wall-hugging design completely hides outlets and cords, blending seamlessly with your decor. If you're looking for a clean, clutter-free look with a simple, no-tool installation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This thing is really handy. It sits even flatter to the wall than I was expecting. It just snugs right up against the existing wall plate. The sleek socket is a fantastic solution for concealing outlets in tight spaces like kitchens or behind furniture. The 3-foot cord is perfect for extending power without creating a tangled mess. The universal size fits snugly and securely over my existing outlets. The sleek socket blends seamlessly with my wall, making it almost invisible and leaving a clean, uncluttered appearance. We've purchased 2 and have plans to purchase more for every room. The quality is great, it's so easy to use and such an underrated item. I love that my furniture sits flush and nothing is able to knock into a plug and damage the outlet or the plug. It comes with a cable raceway that makes everything look so sleek and tidy. Number 3. Sleek Socket Original Ultra Thin Outlet Concealer. Now you can discreetly hide your entire outlet and cords, enhancing your home decor. This flat extension cord offers a sleek solution for managing plugs and cables, creating a clutter-free environment perfect for any room. Say goodbye to ugly, unsafe, and bulky plugs and cords. This ultra-thin device hugs the wall, blending in seamlessly and reducing clutter, hazards, and obstacles for a cleaner look. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it to your existing outlet like a traditional plug. No tools or complicated DIY projects are needed for a quick and easy setup. Keep your cords neatly organized and out of sight with the included adhesive cord concealer kit. It features removable adhesive strips and clips to secure the cord to the wall. It works with all standard duplex outlet sizes, ensuring a versatile fit for various setups. This makes it easy to organize cords discreetly behind furniture or in any room. Not only does it eliminate clutter, but it also expands your power options. This concealer includes a 3-outlet power strip, giving you more usable outlets. What we like. For those with larger spaces or hard-to-reach outlets, this option offers an 8-foot cord to help you manage your power needs discreetly. If you want to hide bulky plugs and cords behind furniture like couches or beds, its ultra-thin profile and included cord management kit are ideal. It's also incredibly easy to install without any tools. What people say. Helps keep furniture against wall and makes everything look more tidy. Plug fits tightly and is designed for receptacles with the ground pin up with the cord then pointing down. But if you need to route the cord upwards and over furniture edge and have ground pinned down receptacles, then just flip this upside down and problem solved. This was the perfect solution. It not only made the socket flush, it also covers the second socket to keep him from sticking anything in it. This sleek extension cord plus outlet cover is very convenient not only for making the cord situation more aesthetically pleasing, but it is also quite functional if you have a cord with a bulky plug. One tip: if you have normal outlets with the ground plug at the bottom, but you want the cord to go up the wall instead of down towards the ground, choose the inverted option. That's what I did here. Number 2. TESSAN 11-in-1 Surge Protector Power Strip. Introducing a versatile power strip designed to meet all your charging needs. It offers 8 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including a USB-C, allowing you to power up to 11 devices simultaneously. Say goodbye to cable clutter with its 5-foot flat extension cord. This design ensures your desk remains neat and organized, while the flat plug fits easily behind furniture. Equipped with 1 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, it provides efficient charging for your phone, tablet, and other gadgets. It intelligently delivers the optimal power to each device. Your valuable electronics are protected with 900 joules of surge protection. It safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, ensuring peace of mind. This power strip can be securely mounted on walls or under counters using its built-in holes. Non-slip rubber feet keep it firmly in place, making it ideal for any environment. An integrated power switch provides an extra layer of safety. It automatically shuts off during overloads, protecting your connected devices from damage. What we like. This power strip is a fantastic all-rounder, especially for busy workspaces or dorm rooms. If you need to charge many devices at once, its 8 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including USB-C, are perfect. The flat plug and 5-foot cord make it easy to manage cables, and its mountable design adds extra convenience. What people say. The flat plug slides neatly behind furniture like it was born to do it. Flat plug design. It's like the power strip is on a diet, slim and sleek, fitting behind furniture without any complaints. It's perfect for tight spaces or anyone who's sick of their furniture floating 2 inches off the wall like it's haunted. Number 1. TESSAN 7-in-1 Flat Surge Protector. Safeguard your electronics with advanced surge, overload, and short circuit protection. It automatically shuts off during overloads, ensuring your devices are always protected. This power strip expands to 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including USB-C. It allows you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously, saving you valuable time. Equipped with 3 USB ports, it meets all your charging needs. It's perfect for powering your cell phone, tablet, and earphones quickly and efficiently. Its ultra-thin flat plug fits easily into tight spaces and can be hidden behind furniture. The 45-degree angle design ensures it won't block other outlets. Easily manage your space with its mountable design. You can install it on walls, workbenches, or under counters, and rubber feet keep it secure. What we like. If you're looking for a compact yet versatile power solution, this is a great pick. It's ideal for smaller spaces or when you don't need a ton of outlets, offering 4 AC and 3 USB ports, including USB-C. The 5-foot flat extension cord is perfect for hiding behind furniture or fitting into tight spots, making it a neat and efficient choice for home offices or dorms. What people say. I love the C ports and the USB ports, so convenient. Mounts perfectly on the wall with nails or has rubber feet for tabletop, absolutely doesn't budge. The flat plug is flush with the wall so fits behind furniture. The flat plug is super clutch because it sits flush behind my nightstand and doesn't stick out awkwardly like a normal plug would. First and foremost, the flat plug design is a game changer. It allows me to easily plug the power strip into any wall socket without obstructing other outlets. This is particularly useful in tight spaces where every inch counts. The sleek and compact design also makes it easy to carry around, making it perfect for travel or on-the-go use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.